So if you're on WhatsApp and you are using your WhatsApp status for just showing video pictures of yourselves and posting other content and you are not making money from it, don't worry, maybe it's not your fault. You don't know how you can start about this video. I'm going to show you a best app that can help you earn money for just posting other people's ads on your WhatsApp status and make money from any view that you earn from it. So if this video give value to you, I bet you to like this video and subscribe to this channel. If I have any question, put in the comment section. I'll come in and answer all your question. Let's get to our screen and do it. The app that we're talking about, and I have the link of this app in the comment section. This app is called FastAds. FastAds is an app that helps people from Ghana to advertise their product and services through them. You have a product that you want to advertise it with just 10 Ghana cedis. You can advertise your product on this app, get more people to see your product and stuff. So if you come to this app, it has also introduced a way for people to also make money from this app. Those ads that have been seen here on their WhatsApp status and earn money from it. First off, let's look at if you want to put your ads on this platform, how will you do it? So if I have a product and services that I want people to patronize on it and I want to post it here, I'll just go to the Play Store or App Store and download this app called FastAds. After I've done that, then you create your account. From then you come to this side, we see the plus sign and the middle here. Hit on that one. You see here it says tap select a picture and stuff. So here is where you are going to post the ads on it. So the cost of the ads, 10 days budget. Every day you can spend 10 cedis on this one and get more people to view your ads. But this is not our work for today. Our work for today is to make money from this one. If you scroll here, this is one ad that I've posted on this platform from this person, babies11. Okay, so it's the premier apps as that he just posted here. This is their number, this is their flyer and stuff. So for you to be able to post this ad, if you look under here, you see what 657 views, 24 shares. That's people who have heard shares these apps, and the number of people who have viewed this ad is what 657 people, and this ad will expire for on October 15th, right? So this is the time that this ad will expire. For you to post it or share it on your WhatsApp status, you come to this start and hit on share. Select WhatsApp and share the ads to your WhatsApp status. You have up to 23 hours to submit proof. So how can you do it? So let's wait for this ads to finish play. Okay, so this ads, after the ads finish play, this as they are just showing you how you can share it and stuff. So after it has done, I'll just come to hit and hit on share. So it just process me and take me to my WhatsApp account here. So I'm going to choose the WhatsApp account that I want to use. So I want to use this my WhatsApp business account. So if I tap on that one, I just share it on my status. You see the app there is called WhatsApp status. Okay, tap on it, my status. I just hit on share here. Then it just take me to this side. Then you don't need to just write anything, just hit on share and then it will share it, or it will be on shown on that one. Okay, so wait for it or refresh the page. Okay, so if you refresh the page, it will take you to, so for you to be able to receive your money, you need to make sure you bring proof. To bring proof, you come to the app or your WhatsApp status back here, go to your status and view your status here. This is my status. Then I come here, I screenshot it or I take a picture, a video of it. Then I come back to the platform again. So if you come back here, you see how submit proof here. I'll tap on that one and they will tell me to record your WhatsApp status showing the complete task and submit a proof. So I'll just take some short recording of it and then I just will submit it here. Then they will view it and pay me for it. That one thing is, you may ask, maybe you don't have much people to see yours, or how many view that you need to make sure you get before you can and make money from this app. For you to make money or be qualified to earn from it, you need to make sure you have up to the people 50 views on one ad. If you have 50 plus view on one ad, then you are qualified to earn from it. If you don't have that one, you can't be qualified to do that. So how can you increase your WhatsApp status view? To do that, maybe you are on a page or someone added into a group like this. I have so many groups here. So to get mad people or more people to view it, I can just come here, and we know for someone to see your ads or to see your status, you need to make sure you have the person contact saved and he also save your contact. So I come here, I have this post on my WhatsApp status. I have this group here. I can come to here, go to the group info and see the number of people. This group has 3,000 plus 300 plus followers or on this platform. So I need to make sure I get contact to people and let them save my contact. Then I also have to save their contact so that both of us can view our WhatsApp status. I can tap on this one, then give the person a short brief of message like save my number, I'll save yours, so that we can see each other WhatsApp status. You can use ChatGPT so that it give you a good motivational message that you can send to these people. Then let them save your number, you save their numbers too, and both of you can view each other's status. You can use that one and get more people to view your WhatsApp status. So whilst you are still or you are continuing doing it, you later become a digital marketer that you'll be using WhatsApp status and get more people to view other people product so that you can market it and sell it for them. So through that, you can get agencies, other people, you charge them, then you post their product on your WhatsApp status, then you make money from it. If you have watched this video to this far and you have get value from this, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and if you have any question, put it in the comment section. I will come in and answer you.